All right, I'm gonna do a little market recap. It's around 9 p.m. I've had a long day. Um, I was gonna do it earlier, but when I got home from school, it was around 5 p.m. and I had to eat and get to the gym. Uh, so yeah, we'll do a little market recap. Didn't take any trades. Market preservation is key. So coming into the hourly time frame, or I'll start on the 4 hour actually. Again, no news Monday. Wasn't expecting much from price. So we had 4 hour equal highs up here, and we had like 4 hour relative equal lows down here. Same shit going on over here on NQ. All right, relative equal highs here, and then relative equal lows here on the 4 hour. So coming down to the 1 hour, we have our internal low resistance liquidity here. Right, we have these low resistance highs right here. So those were my levels for today. Now coming into it, I believe it was NQ. So wait, sorry. So ES swept these low resistance hourly highs here, kind of right at market open. We swept that. I wasn't exactly on the charts, but if I was, I was in class, couldn't trade until 10:10. So, but if I was in class, if I was trading, so you could see here on the 5 minute time frame, this is the hourly high that we swept. Swept it right here. We got a lot of bearish displacement. Then we had a nice solid 5 minute retracement into a 5 minute fair value gap here. We also had a BPR, technically 5 minute, because we also inversed this 5 minute fair value gap here. So a lot of confidence to the downside for us to come hit these low resistance lows. And I looked back on this right after when I couldn't take it, and I was pretty pissed because the one time I was just not on the charts, I couldn't, I didn't take it. But anyway, I guess I'm glad I didn't take it because it didn't succeed. But it is my model. I would have taken it. A lot of people that trade my model didn't take this because it was a pre-market sweep. But I don't really see a problem with pre-market sweeps. Like what? Why is that so much different than market like 9 after 9:30 sweeps? I mean, it doesn't really seem like much of a difference for me. When market opens, we just pretty much run down to the draw on liquidity anyway. So yeah, I would have taken it right. I probably would have taken it like right here. Stops above the candlewick that created the fair value gap. Take profit just at low resistance lows. And would have been a nice RR. Literally would have edged to take profit right to the tick. But again, I didn't take the trade. I guess I'm happy I didn't take the trade just because it wouldn't have won. But I'm also sad because it is my model. So what can you do? Then waited. Was patient. Was just sitting with my hands down. Not gonna take a trade until I see these relative equal highs get swept right here. Yeah, I think NQ did the same thing. Yeah, we swept those 4 hour relative equal highs. We weren't on the 5 minute chart. We were kind of just chopping around. We swept it. NQ is more bullish, so I was kind of more interested in taking it here. You could see we had our 5 minute retracement like here, then a lot of displacement. This was already at 11:45 though, and I was not willing to take a trade by then. So market did not want to give me anything. I was looking to see like a break of structure here. I'll just mark it out so it's a little more clear. I was looking to see like a break of structure and then an imbalance get filled with some displacement out of it, but we didn't do that. ES kind of the same thing. We just didn't want to set up. So, nothing wrong with that. It is what it is. Just gonna move on. Tomorrow, I'll maybe we'll be able to trade. Yeah, maybe I'll be able to trade. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what we do. I'm tomorrow. I really hope I can trade because it's Tuesday, and Tuesday's usually a decent day to trade. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed a little market recap. Maybe you guys saw the same things that I saw. Um, Maybe you didn't. Either way, it doesn't matter. You gotta stay on your own path. So, you know, just lock in. We got the rest of the week to grind and, follow our rules, stay disciplined, focus on building good habits, not making money. So if you're watching this, let's lock in this week. Let's just stay focused on building good habits, completely block out money. Let's just, let's be locked in on our habits. All right. I'll see y'all, boys.